Ni hao, welcome to another culinary adventure through the flavors of China. Today, we're diving into the tantalizing world of twice-cooked pork, a beloved dish that has captured the hearts and taste buds of food enthusiasts worldwide. Join me as we uncover some intriguing unknown facts about this iconic Chinese delicacy. Ancient origins. Twice-cooked pork has its roots in Sichuan cuisine, where it was originally created during the Qing Dynasty. The dish was born out of necessity, as resourceful cooks found ways to make use of leftover pork by cooking it twice to enhance its flavor and texture. Signature ingredient. The key ingredient in twice-cooked pork is fatty pork belly, known for its succulent texture and rich flavor. After being boiled and thinly sliced, the pork is stir-fried with a flavorful combination of chili bean paste, garlic, ginger, and other aromatic spices. Cooking technique. The cooking process of twice-cooked pork involves two distinct steps. First, the pork is boiled to remove excess fat and tenderize the meat. Then it is sliced and stir-fried to perfection. This double cooking method results in pork that is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, with layers of complex flavors. Regional variations. While twice-cooked pork originated in Sichuan province, it has since become popular across China and beyond. Different regions may add their own unique twists to the dish, incorporating local ingredients and flavors to create variations that reflect regional culinary preferences. Cultural significance. Twice-cooked pork holds a special place in Chinese culinary culture, often served during festive occasions and family gatherings. Its hearty flavors and comforting aroma evoke feelings of warmth and togetherness, making it a beloved dish for sharing with loved ones. Historical adaptations. While twice-cooked pork is traditionally made with pork belly, variations of the dish may feature different cuts of pork or even alternative proteins such as chicken or tofu. These adaptations reflect the creativity and resourcefulness of cooks who seek to put their own spin on this classic dish. Health benefits. Despite its indulgent flavors, twice-cooked pork offers some surprising health benefits. Pork belly is rich in protein and essential nutrients, while the cooking process helps render out excess fat, making the dish relatively lower in calories compared to other fried foods. Symbolism of prosperity in Chinese culture. Pork symbolizes prosperity and abundance, making twice-cooked pork a popular dish for celebrating special occasions such as weddings, New Year's festivities, and family reunions. Its rich flavors and generous portions convey wishes for a prosperous and fulfilling life. Adaptability in fusion cuisine. In recent years, twice-cooked pork has found its way into fusion cuisine, where chefs combine traditional Chinese flavors with modern cooking techniques and global ingredients. These innovative interpretations breathe new life into the dish, appealing to a diverse range of palates. Culinary traditions. Making twice-cooked pork is not just about following a recipe, it's about carrying on a culinary tradition that has been passed down through generations. Many families have their own cherished recipes and cooking methods, with each iteration adding to the rich tapestry of Chinese culinary heritage. Spicy and savory. One of the defining characteristics of twice-cooked pork is its bold and spicy flavor profile. The dish is typically seasoned with chili bean paste, which adds heat and depth to the sauce. Combined with the savory umami flavors of the pork and aromatic spices, it creates a tantalizing culinary experience that leaves taste buds craving for more. Texture contrast. Twice-cooked pork is prized for its unique texture contrast, with crispy, caramelized edges and tender, succulent meat. This contrast is achieved through the double cooking process, which involves boiling the pork to remove excess fat and then stir-frying it until it reaches crispy perfection. Culinary science. The double cooking technique used in twice-cooked pork is not just about flavor and texture. It also involves culinary science. By boiling the pork first, excess fat is rendered out, allowing the meat to absorb more flavor during the subsequent stir-frying process. This results in a dish that is both flavorful and relatively lean. Seasonal ingredients. While the basic recipe for twice-cooked pork remains consistent, seasonal ingredients may be incorporated to enhance the dish's flavor and freshness. For example, spring onions or garlic scapes can add a touch of brightness to the dish, while seasonal vegetables provide color and nutritional value. With its ancient origins, signature ingredients, cooking technique, regional variations, and cultural significance, twice-cooked pork continues to captivate food enthusiasts with its timeless flavors and rich heritage. Join me as we delve deeper into the culinary treasures of China and celebrate the enduring legacy of this iconic dish. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.